In this video, we are going to show how to view and manage drive space with Storage Sense in Windows. Storage Sense can automatically free up drive space for you by getting rid of items that you don't need, like temporary files and items in your recycle bin. Here's more info on how it works and how to set it up to meet your needs. Also, one more thing to note is Storage Sense only works on the system drive, which contains the Windows operating system. To manually enable Storage Sense, press the Windows and I key to open Settings on your Windows device. Navigate to System. Now click on Storage. Finally, enable the toggle next to Storage Sense, and it's on. Lastly, if you want to tell Storage Sense how often to run and what to clean up, here's how to do it. Inside the Storage Sense settings window, choose your desired settings, including when to run Storage Sense, how often files are cleaned up, and more. Like and share the video if this trick helped you, and subscribe to Guiding Tech for more tips and tricks like these. Also, don't forget to check out these videos we think you might like and enjoy.